Okay, well, here it is at last. Once again, another goodie, and this one is from Henry. And this is the Henry Big Steel, I believe they refer to it as. I think it's a new series that they just came out with. And this one is in 41 Remington Magnum. I love my 41. And we're going to load it up, and we're going to take a couple shots. And I'm going to need so. Okay, so this big boy, and it is a big boy, holds 10 rounds. And I'm going to be shooting this freehand, standing. All right. Okay, so I'm going to go down there, take a look, and I probably didn't hit much, but in any case, we'll call this a function test. And yeah, it's good to have a 41 Magnum back in the hand again. I still have my Marlin, but I haven't used it in a while. And when I saw that Henry had come out with a tube-fed lever action in 41 Magnum, I had to snap one up, and here it is.